Hi there, I'm Tony DeBonis with Starline Windows. A question we often get asked is, how do I know that my window frames are draining adequately? I like to demonstrate a quick and easy flush test that you can perform on your 6000 series mainframe window systems. That goes for any configuration that is a picture window, vertical slider, or a horizontal slider such as this one. Now, in order to do a horizontal slider properly and adequately, you definitely want to remove the vent and the track system from the window first. If you need more instruction of how to remove your vent and track system, please go to our YouTube channel or website and search how to remove horizontal vent and track. Anyways, let's get started. The only thing you're going to need is a bottle of water and a flathead screwdriver. Now with your flathead screwdriver, the only thing you're doing is inserting it in the exterior drain holes all the way, just making sure the drain holes are not full of debris, foreign matter, or insects or something like that. You do that to both exterior drain holes. Put that away. Then you grab your water and you're going to pour it on the inside track system of your window. And immediately you should see water exiting the exterior drain hole. That tells me that it's nice and clean and clear. Now, we always recommend annual maintenance, once a year, to flush your window system. So to remove your vent, remove your track, and give it a good cleaning. Like I said, if you need any more information about how to remove your horizontal slider and insert your track, just go to our YouTube channel. But yeah, give it a good flush. As you can see, it's draining. And that's how you properly make sure that your window frames are draining adequately. And for many more how-to demonstrations, frequently asked questions, and product knowledge, please visit or subscribe to our Starline Windows YouTube channel, or visit or contact us through our website at www.starlinewindows.com.